Hey, dear Therese. I know that you love reading letters, and I'm sure you enjoy it even more reading them in heaven with your dear Jesus. Well, I am not sure to call you my little or elder sister, but calling you my little sister feels nice. So here I write this letter to you. Please do read it with Jesus. You know, being a brother to you in Carmel has always been a matter of pride for me. It is you who, by your simple living within the four walls, told the world about the spirit of Carmel. And then, your love for priesthood? How could one deny that? I know that you really desired to be a priest. May I ask you a question? Why did you love priesthood so much? Well, your parents really longed that at least one of their children be a priest. But then, God gifted them 5 daughters, right? Never mind. Now I understand. God did answer their prayers by giving them you. The words in your biography, I feel in me the vocation of the priest. With what love, O Jesus, I would carry you in my hands, when at my voice you would come down from heaven. And with what love would I give you to souls? Amazes me about your deep understanding about the joy of being a priest. You loved priesthood so much that you would consider yourself fortunate to touch the sacred vessels used for the Mass just to feel them like a priest does. Dear Therese, now that you are in heaven, I beg a favor for me, your brother, who desires to be a priest. Please pray for me. I humbly accept that I do not possess immense fervor like you, but I know deep inside what a great blessing it is to be a priest, to hold Jesus in my hands and give him to others. When you were asked the purpose of your joining Carmel, did you not say, I came to save souls and specially pray for priests? And now, when your brother is asking you, I am sure you will not say no. Oh Therese, today on your heavenly birthday, I remember your words. My vocation is love. I don't ask roses from heaven, but only your prayerful assurance that I realize my vocation. Though my dignity as a priest will raise me above the angels, I am, nevertheless, weak and fragile. As you, then by your prayers, brought hundreds of souls back to Christ, now, by your prayers, guide me to be like you, a little flower that draws lost souls to Jesus. Plead with Jesus, dear sister, to make me his priest, and then both I and you will be happy. Won't you do this favor to me? I am confident you will. Thank you, little one. With lots of love, your brother in Carmel.